My video assignment for lesson 308 or our assignment 2, um, talking about third our third that we created. I decided to create a input function to calculate the triangle of the area of a triangle. So how I did this is created a new function and named it calculate triangle area, and the two parameters we used were height and base. It's like base times height divided by 2 is how you find a triangle's area. So when setting the value for the triangle area, we I put in height times base parameters, and then I just divided it by 2. Uh, so I'll put the parentheses first so they multiply, and then divide the whole thing by 2. And of course, we'll return our variable. So heading over here, I was able to use this function as in previous steps in our assignment, and then the two that I used were 2 and 2, which obviously ran. It would be 2 times 2 is 4, and then divided by 2, and then right here, as you can, it comes out. That is my function of finding the area of a triangle.